So we're going to go a little differently today. I'm going to tell you a quick little story and just why it's so important to listen to the customer and kind of sometimes be a little bit of a therapist. But I had a customer actually cancel a job yesterday morning. She called first thing right when I was opening up, and she was actually already kind of sniffling, and she said, "I'm just not ready for you guys to come. I still have so much stuff to do." And I'm like, "All right, okay." I never asked her if everything was okay, but I guess maybe she could tell in my voice that I was a little concerned, because she sounded really upset. And she started talking about, like, just randomly started talking about how it was the anniversary of her husband's death. Her mom just passed away last week, and they found out that she was a hoarder after all this time and didn't know it. And then I think she said something about she had just gotten over, it wasn't COVID, but she had got just, I've been sick, something like that. She didn't say anything about COVID, but it makes me wonder now. But anyway, I mean, it was early in the morning and I barely had my second cup of coffee. But I mean, I did feel bad for her because you could tell she was, in a way, really embarrassed to be talking about it, but almost just couldn't control herself. She just kind of just started crying, like crying. So I honestly told her to calm down, but I said it in a very nice way. I was like, "It's all right. You just relax. You just take a deep breath. It's fine that you're canceling. I can move your appointment if you don't want me to move it, because I don't know when I'm going to be ready. That's fine. That's fine. I've got your information in here. Do you want me to give you a call in a couple of weeks?" And she actually was like, "That would be really great. Yeah, could you do that?" So I did that. I put a note in her account, give her a call in 2 weeks, kind of a little alarm we can do. And so I'll give her a call in 2 weeks and check on her, make sure she's ready to go. But this is just something, I don't know what's going to come of it, because it literally was yesterday afternoon or yesterday morning. But this is something that I know sometimes, especially when you guys are on the road, or lifting a hot tub or doing whatever, you might not have the time to take to do that. But if you can, you'd be surprised the kind of, they're going to remember that, She's probably definitely going to call. Probably definitely. But hopefully, yes. Or if she doesn't, when I call her to remind her about it, she's probably definitely going to schedule an appointment. I know that sometimes, I got my own stuff, and we all do. But take that extra second to just kind of say, "Okay, I hear you. I know this sucks. Just breathe. It's no big deal. We'll get it done. We'll help you out when you're ready." She's gonna remember that. I mean, that's gonna mark her a little bit, and she'll appreciate that, and hopefully give you a review when you get out there and do a beautiful job and take care of her. And it's a repeat customer, and she's going to suggest you guys to somebody else. So just take that time if you can for that extra bit of customer service. It's going to go a long way.